Are you constructing a new building? Billy is trapped under some pipes and needs your help. Super Truck, it's time for you to transform. Can you hold the sneeze, Billy? Work fast, Super Truck! Billy could sneeze at any moment! Watch out, Super Truck! Get the ST-3000! Good job, Super Truck! Thanks to Super Truck for saving the day. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the first Car City Strength Competition. Today, the strongest cars of Car City will face each other to win the Car City Cup. Beautiful, isn't it? And now, let's greet our champions. They are Super Truck, the hero of Car City, and Billy, the mighty Bulldozer. And without further ado, let the games begin. The first test that our champions will face will be to move these Car City citizens. The first one who gets his car to the end of the field wins. Amazing! Super Truck just transformed into an excavator. Ready, set, go! Super Truck seems to be getting ahead. It looks like Billy is having problems. Super Truck is going to win! Attention, Billy is getting the lead. And he wins! Amazing! Super Truck comes next. What a great race! The second game is Sumo Fights. The winner will be the car who gets the other out of the circle. Let the best one win. I can't believe it! Super Truck is the champion of the second game! And he didn't even have to use his strength to win. How smart! And we come to the final game with the two contenders tied in the first position. How exciting! In this game, participants must bring their stone pile to the other side of the stadium. And remember, being smart is as important as being strong. Let's go! Be careful, Billy. I think those are too many rocks. Watch out, Billy! Get away from there! Oh no! Are you okay, Billy? I don't think you can do it alone, Billy. Yes! Super Truck will help you. If you keep going like this, it's going to take forever. You have to come up with something, Super Truck. Extra shovels! Great idea! You're almost done, Super Truck. Oh no, that rock is too heavy. That's right. If you push together, you'll get it out. Yay! You did it! Great teamwork, guys! Ladies and gentlemen, the champion of the Car City Strength Championship is Super Truck! You were right, Super Truck. Today, Billy and you worked as a team, and you both deserve the cup. Wow, Massimo! That was awesome! Oh, hi, Carl. Is it your turn now? Somebody needs your help, Carl. You better put stunt practice on hold for now and get home right away. It's Carrie. She's at the duck race on the canal. Looks like all the ducks are stuck on something in the water and are starting to pile up. Oh no! If the water overflows, there will be a flood! The water is getting higher and higher, Carl! Can you help? Great! Let's go! There were so many ducks piling up. What could the problem be? Look at all the garbage in the canal. What are you going to do? What will you transform into? A super garbage truck! Fantastic! No one should throw trash into the water or on the ground. That's what garbage cans are for. Might have to work faster, Super Truck. The water is still really high.
Phew! That was close. Great job, Super Truck. Now the canal is clean. The rubber ducks are moving along nicely now. And the water has gone down. Oh no! A baby is trying to push a rubber duck along with his tire! He's going to fall in! Hurry! He can't float! Phew! He's got the safety jacket. He's okay. You did it, Super Truck! Great job! Here's an award, Super Truck, for teaching us that if we put garbage where it belongs, we'll have a cleaner, healthier planet.
Help! There's a fire at the construction site! Frank, are you going to put out the fire? Oh no! Someone is trapped in the fire! Frank, be quick! Dr. Zig, were you playing a trick on Frank? Oh no! Dr. Zig has hypnotized Frank and is controlling him with a remote control. Stop it, Dr. Zig! Frank is going to cause chaos in the city! Hey, what's going on here? Dr. Zig is controlling Frank. You have to stop him, Super Truck. It's time to transform! Great! Police truck can stop Dr. Zig. Time to give up, Dr. Zig. Oh no. Frank is still hypnotized. There's too much water. The place will flood. Oh no. Dane's wheels are stuck in the wet sandbox. Let's help Dane first, Super Truck. Well done. Thank you for your help, Super Truck. Now, let's find the culprits. This is dangerous. Someone might slip. Careful, Walter. The road is slippery. Oh no! Are you okay, Walter? The road is too wet. Walter can't move. The police will help you, Walter. Let's help Walter get back on the road so he can deliver his cake boxes. Thank you, Super Truck. But what about Walter's cake boxes? What is Dr. Zig up to now? Stop it, Frank. The tires are going to get slippery. Oh no! Careful! The tires are rolling too fast. Watch out, baby trucks! Do something, Super Truck! Ah, yes, you can use the ST3000. A water hose! Great choice, Super Truck. Oh no, you have to stop them. You're too far, Super Truck. Try getting closer. Quick, Super Truck, you have to help the baby trucks. Great job, Super Truck. The baby trucks can now cross the road safely. Watch out, Super Truck. You have to wake Frank from his hypnosis. Phew! Frank is no longer hypnotized. Great teamwork. You're not going anywhere until you've cleaned the mess you caused, Dr. Zig. Way to go, team!
Are you having an ice cream eating competition? Whoa! Looks like you got brain freeze. Brain freeze can slow you down, right? Walter, you got it bad. Hey, Carl, looks like there's a problem. You better go check it out. Whoa! Looks like Billy got hypnotized by the rhythm of Dane's ball. Oh no! Billy's been hypnotized to destroy everything in sight! You'd better stop him before he does something dangerous! Dane, what happened? You told him to wreck it all. Oh, you were talking about your construction project? Billy must have thought you meant everything in the city because he was hypnotized. Right, let's clean up the city and stop Billy. Wow, Billy sure did a lot of damage. Massimo, are you okay? You fell on a banana skin. Don't worry, Super Truck will stop Billy. Whoa, Jerry, look out! Oh no, looks like someone's trapped. Walter, are you okay? Oh, your hat protected you. Must be pretty hard. What? Billy is heading for the power crystal. Super Truck, he's heading for the power crystal. If he hits it, the city is done for. Right, Walter. Super Truck needs to slow Billy down. Slow down. Brain freeze can slow you down, right? Of course. You can use the freeze ray. Billy, this is for your own good. Yes! Wow! The brain freeze cured his hypnosis. Billy, you were hypnotized. Super Truck cured you with brain freeze. Super Truck, it's happening again! You'd better do something! Oh, it's a hypnosis show! Billy is hypnotized to think Walter is an ice cream? Look out, Walter!
Hi, guys! Making a birthday card for Bobby's surprise party? Uh-oh, somebody needs your help. You better get home right away. It's Massimo. Everyone has come right away for Billy's surprise party. Billy is on his way home. Can you bring the card and birthday present, Carl? Hurry! You don't want to miss the surprise. Wow, there's so much traffic. There's the problem. The traffic light is not working. You may need to transform, Super Truck. Choo-choo! Let's go get Bobby's birthday card. Bobby's party is early, Tim. Super Train will bring the card and we'll pick up a ticket for an air balloon ride. The train tracks end here? Hurry, Super Helicopter! Get the ticket! Let's get to the beach! Quick, everyone! Sign the card! Oh no! Super Helicopter, do something! Phew! Surprise! Happy birthday, Bobby! Thanks for saving the day, Super Truck. Bobby is having a great party. Enjoy your cupcake.
Oh no! Dr. Zig is letting out a hypnotized chick into the city. That crazy chickens are going to cause trouble. Luckily, the rescue squad is on its way. Oh no! The chickens caused an accident. Rescue squad, can you get to the injured cars through the traffic jam? Super truck, you can help. It's time to transform. Police truck, can you clear the traffic so Amber can get to the injured cars? Wow, police truck is clearing the traffic. Are you ready to help the injured cars, Amber? These two cars don't look so good. Nicely done, Amber. The medicine helped the injured cars. But wait, is that a fire? Oh no, the hypnotized chicken started the fire. Frank, put out the fire. Frank is on his way, but he is going to need help. Time to transform, Super Truck. Super Fire Truck, the fire's grown. Frank needs your help. It looks like the fire has grown bigger, Super Fire Truck. You need to help Frank fast. Working together is always best. Wow, that was just in time. The fire is out. It is time to save the hypnotized chick from Dr. Zig's hypnosis. Oh no, they are getting away. Rescue team, you have to stop Dr. Zig and save the hypnotized chick. The hypnotized chickens and Dr. Zig are running in different directions. Super Fire Truck, go after Dr. Zig. The rescue team is going to save the hypnotized chickens. Maybe you should try getting the chick in a different way. Well done, rescue team. The chickens are saved from Dr. Zig's hypnosis. Oh no, Dr. Zig is still running away. It's time to use the ST-3000. Wow, the ST-3000 net thrower is going to help you catch Dr. Zig. Oh no, the net didn't catch Dr. Zig. Dr. Zig is too fast. He is getting away. It looks like Super Truck needs help. You are here to help. Dr. Zig can't escape now. Try the ST-3000 again, Super Fire Truck. Dr. Zig is caught. There is nothing like teamwork to get the job done. The chickens are very upset at Dr. Zig. This time, Dr. Zig has surely learned his lesson. What a beautiful day to start a water fight. Watch out, Chili. Crocomile is driving on the street. Uh-oh. You should say sorry instead of laughing, babies. And come on, Crocomile. It was an accident. The babies are stuck in slime. Chili, run! Oh no. Crocomile is covering the street with slime. Super Truck, you have to stop Crocomile. Time to transform. The fire truck will stop the slime attack. Let's stop that egg from hurting Frank and Chili. Let's throw it away. Two birds with one stone. Crocomile is angry with you too, Super Truck. Oh no! Crocomile is getting more violent now. Frank, take Chili to a safe place. Super Truck is covering you. This street looks like a safe place for Chili. Stay here, Chili. Frank, Super Truck needs your help. There are too many eggs for Super Truck to handle alone. Watch out! Frank, get out of there! Frank saved Super Truck, but got himself stuck in slime. You're being too nasty, Crocomile. Chili is worried about you, Frank. Don't worry, guys. Super Truck is here to help. Great teamwork. You're free again, Frank. Frank, Super Truck, let's save the babies. Chili will show you the way. Crocomile won't allow fire trucks to free the babies. Water won't be enough to stop Crocomile. Time to use the ST-3000. The telekinetic ray will save the day. Good job, Frank. Super Truck, Chili is in danger. Let's bring the egg back to its owner. Crocomile, you're stuck. You can finally free the babies from the slime. Don't worry, guys. Super Truck knows someone who will clean up this mess. The babies are sorry for throwing water on you. Not so fast, Crocomile. You still have to clean this mess.